How can I help my sales rep succeed? It's a question I get all the time as I'm talking to restoration business owners. I'm going to give you 3 quick tips on things that are easy to implement. In the meantime, if you don't already know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, reduce the chaos for the whole team, and build a business of significant value they can sell someday when it's time to move on. All right, so let's get back to the question. My 3 tips for helping your sales rep. Number 1, set clear expectations. So many times I talk to owners, they've hired a sales rep and they haven't been clear about what they expect of them from an activity standpoint, from a result standpoint. For example, what do you expect from them in terms of referrals in the first month, second month, third month, 6th month, the first year? How much revenue do you expect them to generate? Number 2, develop them. If you've set any expectation at all, my guess it's something having to do with making notes. I need you to make notes in the CRM that we use, right? But what will you do with them? What are you doing with those notes? If you're developing them, what that looks like is sitting down with them at least once a week, going through their notes, making sure they're getting good notes, like they're learning about what the current process is in the business that they're trying to get referrals from. They're learning about the prospect, about what the prospect needs and wants and cares about. And they're learning about what types of concerns the prospect has. And when it comes to concerns or objections, your job as the leader is to help them understand what the best responses are to overcome those objections and make that potential referral source feel at ease when it comes to referring your company. Number 3, hold them accountable. If you're not holding them accountable, they're just kind of doing their thing, and they might not realize that they're not meeting those expectations that you set for them and made very clear in step 1. So, got to hold them accountable. And again, the easy way to do that is simply a weekly meeting where you're reviewing their activity, their results, and you're going over their notes and you're coaching them on how to do better. If any of this sounds difficult to you, please reach out to me, book a call, and I'll help you through the process. And if you want to learn more about how I can possibly help you, how I'm helping other restoration businesses, again, book a call with me. We'll talk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.